It's dirty. It is dirty energy and a false climate solution. So we are witches here today in front of the Marriott because there is a green hydrogen energy conference going on inside that's co-hosted by Mach2. Mach2 is a proposed hydrogen hub that would cover southeastern Pennsylvania, the state of Delaware, and south and central New Jersey. And we're opposed to it because it means pollution for our communities. When you burn hydrogen, you actually release pollutants, nitrogen oxides, which are extremely dangerous for human health, and they also are precursor to ozone or smog and make our climate crisis worse. Also, hydrogen actually extends the life of methane in the atmosphere. And that means that the climate crisis is going to get worse because greenhouse gas emissions will increase if they actually build this Mach2 hydrogen hub and the other hydrogen hubs that they want to build across the nation. So we're saying we want clean, truly renewable energy. We want energy that is going to directly electrify our systems and replace fossil fuels and dirty false solutions. Green hydrogen and all hydrogen is not clean and it's not green. Mach2 actually wants to use nuclear energy. They want to use other sources of energy, and we even think that they want to use natural gas even though they deny it. So this Mach2 project and the other hydrogen hubs, all it's doing is extending the life of the oil and gas industry.
Hocus pocus, hydrogen's bogus. Hocus pocus, hydrogen's bogus. Hocus pocus, hydrogen's bogus. Hocus pocus, hydrogen's bogus.
They've also managed to keep the public out of the discussions. There was one meeting that I know that was open to the public in March. It took place outside the footprint, somewhere up in the Northeast.
Okay.
They have meetings like this Green Hydrogen Summit. You have to pay to get in. Another way to keep the public out. And to have it during these summits when most people would be working.
Okay.
The public is to have no right to refusal. Other hubs that have included the public to have on committees have had non-disclosure agreements, trying to keep everything secret. Some of the stuff we have gotten back with right to know laws has come back redacted. So that isn't really helpful.
Hi, my name is Kayla. I'm here on behalf of Circle, Chester Residents Concerned for Quality Living, and C4, Campus Coalition Concerning Chester. Circle is an environmental justice organization that's been fighting against environmental racism in the city of Chester for the last 30 years. They're led by Zulu Mayfield. C4 is the student chapter of Circle, and we're here today protesting in front of the Green Hydrogen Summit at Marriott because a hydrogen hub is being proposed to be placed in Chester, Pennsylvania. Chester is home to the largest trash incinerator in the entire country and is also a prime example of environmental racism in this country. And so adding a hydrogen hub to Chester would only exacerbate the environmental racism that is being perpetuated in the city already. Hydrogen hubs are proposed as green solutions to climate change, but in reality they only induce climate change and rewrite the narrative that EJ communities are against climate change or against climate change solutions, which is not the case. Green hydrogen is not a proper climate change solution, and we're here to emphasize that.
Don't believe the hydrogen hype. Don't believe the hydrogen hype. Don't believe the hydrogen hype.
Don't believe the hydrogen hype. Don't believe the hydrogen hype. No matter how it's produced, hydrogen energy is expensive, energy intensive, contributes to climate change, and brings harm to our communities in terms of public health and safety. We should be investing in truly clean, renewable energy and creating thousands of jobs in the process, not this hydrogen hub boondoggle.
So, but it ain't no climate change, though, huh?
No climate change. You're with us, man.
Thank you.
So we're here, right? There's a summit inside the Marriott that's going to be talking about hydrogen hubs and trying to perpetuate the false arguments that green hydrogen, or the false narrative that green hydrogen is somehow good for the climate, good for the environment, good for communities, good for people, and it's not. So we are here to make clear that green hydrogen is a false solution with devastating consequences for our communities, for our environment, for our climate. Wicked is going to be opening down the road. We think green hydrogen is wicked, and so the wicked witches are coming out to say no green hydrogen.
Focus, focus, hydrogen's bogus. Focus, focus, hydrogen's bogus. Focus, focus, hydrogen's bogus.